Welcome to 3DPrinterOS, the easiest way to manage your 3D printers across your organization. Let's check our slicer for MakerBot printers. You can adjust the slicing settings by moving this slider or by entering these numbers manually. Click here to change the extruder's temperature. If you want to change your adhesion or support settings, use these checkboxes. Don't worry, if you are not familiar with slicing in 3D printing, we have pre-made slicing profiles. Just choose one. As you can see, the settings change once you select a slicing profile. In the Advanced tab, we have a few more options that you can change, such as material size, nozzle diameter, roof and floor thickness, fan settings, and minimal layer time. You can also adjust the print head travel speed. If you wish, you can save all settings as a new slicing profile. Just enter a profile name and click OK. In the Expert tab, you can find the JSON file with all the slicing settings. The Price tab helps provide a comprehensive view of the total cost of a print job, allowing users to make informed decisions when managing their 3D printing projects. Feel free to check out our channel for more videos about our platform. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.